What happened yesterday was the literal plot of a Batman comic, something you never thought would come true, basically be true. And the worst part is, after looking into everything, man, I believe the prosecution sadly overreached what they could prove, which is hand in hand a reason why Diddy is getting out of this. But man, like, I just had the life sucked out of me yesterday, man. Like, my voice may sound dead, but yeah, after this is all done, Diddy is gonna have the biggest freak off party the Cosmos has ever fucking seen after he's out of jail, and holy shit, it's bad. The only good thing about this was he's denied bail, but that's not even enough. This is one of those cases where yes, Diddy is a lot of things. Yes, Diddy is a degenerate. Yes, Diddy is a nasty person. Yes, Diddy should be just deleted from the planet's existence, and it would be far better without him. But yeah, I take this whole thing as actually a big failure on the prosecution's part. They they gave him too many charges that were nearly impossible to prove without more victims and more evidence, which is why you saw all three of his biggest charges not even apply at all, while the two smaller ones did. Like, you could see this man bent over in the court. He was happy. His goddamn supporters were throwing baby oil on each other like the weird degenerates they are. So basically, the biggest problem of why the three biggest charges didn't apply was mainly due to how the jury took Cassie Ventura, which is they took her as less of a victim and more so as a willing participant of these freak off parties. And the reason simply is you could see messages of her being excited about it. She was his girlfriend for pretty much a decade. And like him beating her up at the hotel, that should have been put as battery. The most likely case is Diddy's not even going to serve 10 years. He's going to serve 2, which is a big slap in the face for a huge amount of people, because like the likelihood of him being everything the public thinks he is 99%. I'm not even gonna nah, I'm not even gonna sugarcoat it. It's 100% likely he's done everything. That another failure was that what he was doing was less of a criminal enterprise and more so of his personal business, of him bringing people and starting those weird freak off parties. And they said Diddy buying the tapes were for him avoiding bad publicity rather than to obstruct justice, which the saddest part is this is gonna disincentivize a bunch of people who are victims who have valid stories against Diddy's and valid reasons for putting Diddy in jail even longer than he is getting right now. They're probably going to look at this and say the legal system's not going to care. And it's just going to be like that where Diddy walks off. But the reality is a lot of these people really should come out anyways, because that's going to help. That's going to help this thing progress a lot. But because they won't come out because they're either scared, desensitized, or just feel like the same thing's going to happen, I don't think anything's going to happen to Diddy. I think he's going to walk out free. It's not over yet. Different things could happen, but man, this all of this was fucked from the beginning to end. A video I found explaining the situation far better than I ever could was Ben Shapiro. I'll put that one down here somewhere if you'd like to see it, cuz he had a pretty good. He basically explained to you exactly why things couldn't go the way we wanted them to and why some things failed where other things didn't fail. Well, yeah, this day sucks because I don't even know what to say. It just sucks that this happened. It sucks that the diddler got away, and we really like this man is a shit stain on the history of the planet, and the world is better off without him in it. I 100% agree with that. Only time will tell what happens, but we're not. Well, I know a lot of people aren't happy with this, and for all those Diddy supporters, man, we really need to check their computers to see what the fuck they're doing on their free time if they're supporting this monstrosity of a human.